Okay, I am so excited to share this with you guys. Hello and welcome back to my channel. First of all, my name is Carla, and if you're new here, hi, welcome, and thank you for stopping by. So as mentioned in my last video to you guys, I purchased a couple of bags, well, just two actually, from Farfetch, and I wanted to do the unboxing with you guys. So here we are. The parcel just arrived this morning and I haven't opened it yet. So we are gonna do this together. This is the off-white bag that I purchased last week, and I believe, well, I'm not sure if they came in together because, you know, sometimes Farfetch do separate your parcels if you purchase multiple items at the same time. Sometimes they may not come at the same time because they come from like different locations, but I believe both of them are here. So like I said, the first one is off-white. The second bag that I purchased is from a brand called Studio Amelia, and I think it's an up-and-coming brand. If I'm not mistaken, they're a shoe brand, but they do have a couple of bags as well. And I think very soon they will have their ready-to-wear collection coming up as well. So that's as much as I know about the brand. I do like their bag design, so I decided to go and purchase one and support, you know, an up-and-coming brand. Anyway, let's stop rambling and just get this package open up. So here we are. How do I open this? Hold on. Oh, okay. So I have to open up the bottom as well. It's like sticker here, I think. Damn girl, how long have you not shopped online? You don't know how to open a box. There we go. I'm doing this all wrong. Oh, okay. There's an arrow here. I'm supposed to do this. There we go. Ta-da! Okay, Farfetch right here. What is this? Okay, so I get 15% off my next purchase with just valid on the Browns Fashion. I'm not really familiar with this brand, but we'll go check it out in a little bit, I guess. So basic stuff, the return documents, and ooh, they don't come in individual boxes. I was expecting they would come in like in their own individual boxes. I think this is the off-white bag, so hold on a minute. I am excited. Ooh, but don't off-white items come with the little teal dust bag? I have an off-white bag and I purchased that from Farfetch as well. It came in its own little off-white box. Did it? No, I don't think so. But the dust bag is not like this. It's not black. It's the off-white, sort of greenish dust bag with the off-white branding and everything. This is different. So I don't know what's going on, but it is what it is. Here we go. Ooh la. So this is cute. So it's kind of like a half moon shape, which is what I liked about it. It's not your typical square kind of bag. It's a shoulder bag. Of course, it comes with a binder clip, which is what Off-White is known for. I like that. Oh, okay, sorry. I thought it was supposed to be like this. It's actually like this. Totally forgot how it looked like. And zipper right here. That's pretty. Okay, the Off-White labels are all inside. There you go, just like that. But I'm quite surprised that it didn't come in the off-white dust bag. Really, that's a bummer. I like the off-white dust bag. So there's two items inside. This is the other bag, which I'm gonna open a little bit, and they came in the same kind of dust bag. But anyway, this is so pretty. It's a perfect size for me because I don't like bringing really big bags. I just like having a small, tiny one that can fit my phone. So my phone would fit right in. And then a small wallet, sometimes lipstick, pocket tissue, hand sanitizers, and I think I'm good to go. So this is a perfect size. What about the length? Let's just see. Okay, so it's adjustable. The strap is adjustable. There are buttonholes here. I think the length, okay, I'm not gonna adjust it right now, but just to let you guys know that it is adjustable. And okay, the strap is just right for me right now. Okay. That is cute. It has a back pocket right here, so you can insert little things, coins, notes, whatever. It's pretty big actually. The pocket is roomy, so it's easy to insert stuff there. Inside there's a pocket as well, and it has the off-white branding here. Okay, what else is there? Oh, so the front area is also a pocket, so similar to the back. This one's also a pocket. And then the binder clip, I don't know if you can actually clip it out. Can I? No, you can't remove it. Can I remove it? No, you can't. So it's basically, oh, it's screwed onto the bag, so you can't remove this. You can't actually remove it. So very basic, very simple off-white bag, but I don't know, I just like it. Okay, we'll put this aside for now. I'm gonna open the other one. Like I said, it came in the same, I don't know what material this is. This isn't satin, polyester kind of dust bag. Oh, okay, this is interesting. This has another dust bag inside, its own dust bag. I'm disappointed. How come they didn't give me the off-white dust bag? I like the off-white dust bag. So this one has the Studio Amelia dust bag. Okay, good job, Studio Amelia. I like the dust bag. Cute. Now let's open this up. So pretty. Ta-da! So this is very similar to the dumpling bag that I like from Bottega Veneta. I think this is a smaller in size. So I don't know if Bottega has the same size as well, but I really like that design. And I found this and it's very similar and I decided to just get this one. This looks like a pouch, but actually it comes with a strap right here, so it's inside. Here's the label. This is called the 1.1 mini drawstring bag. Okay, it has the Farfetch label as well. So yeah, branding just inside. Very sleek and very minimal. I really like it. It's so cute. So you can use it as a purse, like a pouch, or you can use it as a shoulder bag. Well, it's not that long and it's not adjustable, but I think it's just nice to like sling it over your head like that, across your body like that. It's so cute. Okay. Doesn't it look like a dumpling really? Is a Bottega bag really called a dumpling bag? I don't know, but it does look like a dumpling to me. That is the cutest thing. It's pretty much it. It's very simple. No pockets, no nothing. Well, aside from the inside pocket, which has the labeling on there. Let me see if I can fit my, well, of course, I can definitely fit my phone in there like that. And then same thing, they're pretty much almost the same size, except that this is structured and this is unstructured. So I've just been buying like black bags lately because I think they just go with pretty much everything. So you don't really have to think about what kind of outfit you're gonna match with them, you know? Before I begin, I'm just gonna tell you guys how much I bought these for. Basically, I try not to pay for luxurious items or expensive things at full price because, you know, if you can get them for cheap, then why bother paying the full price? There's always like sales going on, unless you're like going for Hermes or Chanel or Louis Vuitton or something like that. But like brands like Off-White or these up-and-coming one, I'm pretty sure you can always find them somewhere cheaper than what they retail for. If you're familiar with Farfetch, you would know that they always have some kind of sale going on, not all year round, but times like these, like Christmas season, December, there's always some sale going on. So when I bought these, it was a time when Farfetch was having an extra discount on their sale items. So this was already on sale at the time. So the Off-White bag was originally 6,190 Hong Kong dollars, not US dollars, Hong Kong dollars. And then it was on 40% discount and I bought it with another extra 20% off. This one was originally priced at 1,821 Hong Kong dollars and it was on sale for 1,275. Now, like I said, I was able to get an extra 20% off of both of these items because they were already on sale already. So the total that I paid for these two items is 3,991 Hong Kong dollars. So this is around 4,000 MOP. So in US dollars, that's around 515. So right now you can still get these items on sale, but I don't think Farfetch is doing the extra 20% off, but you can still try. You know, if you like them and you want to get them, I think right now it's still a good time anyway. I'm gonna link them both down below and you guys can check out for yourselves if you want to go and get them. So yeah, that is pretty much it. One of these days I'm gonna try to do a lookbook video and see if I can style these two bags that I have with me and just show them to you guys, basically how I will style them. But for now, yes, thank you so much for watching this basic unboxing video with me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye! Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see something similar, then make sure to check out these two videos right here. And if you like the kind of content that I'm putting out, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything new that's coming up. And don't forget to hit the notification bell as well.